Smart contracts are a fundamental component of blockchain technology. They are self-executing programs that run on the blockchain and enable secure, trustless transactions without intermediaries. The terms of these agreements are written directly into code, allowing them to execute automatically. Smart contracts are widely used on Ethereum and other EVM-compatible networks such as Conflux eSpace. Once deployed, a smart contract runs exactly as programmed and cannot be modified. Because of this immutability, proper testing and security practices are essential during development. Smart contracts remain accessible as long as the blockchain network is running, removing single points of failure and increasing reliability. Most smart contracts today are written in Solidity, a programming language designed specifically for blockchain development. Its syntax is similar to C++ and JavaScript, making it approachable for many developers. With Solidity, developers can define state variables, functions, and business logic that execute automatically on-chain, forming the foundation of decentralized applications, or dApps. Smart contracts are compiled into bytecode and executed by the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM. The EVM is the runtime environment that processes contract code across a distributed network of nodes. To manage computational resources, the EVM uses a gas mechanism. Gas helps prevent spam and encourages developers to write efficient code. Now, let's look at a simple smart contract example. The first line of a Solidity contract specifies the compiler version using the Pragma directive. This ensures the code is compiled with a compatible Solidity version. Next comes the contract definition and the declaration of state variables, which store persistent data on the blockchain. Functions inside the contract define how users interact with it and can update the contract's state. There are several ways to compile and deploy smart contracts. Many developers use local development frameworks such as Hardhat or Foundry. Alternatively, web-based tools like Remix IDE allow you to write, compile, and deploy smart contracts directly from your browser with no local setup. Understanding smart contracts is the first step in building decentralized applications. As you learn more about Solidity and smart contract development, you'll be able to create applications that leverage the power of blockchain technology. Start with simple examples, understand how they work, and gradually build more complex contracts. The concepts you learn here will be the foundation for everything else you build in the Web3 space.